Greetings from this artificial lake in Råby, Nyköping, known as Kalkbrottet here. Kalk is actually chalk in translation, I believe so. And it is an artificial lake that I have been cycling to. It's around 15 kilometers away from central Nyköping, located in Sörmland region, and I actually chose the path that's on the other side, that's a bit less accessible, but it has very nice sun now in the afternoon. And you see here, this is like just forest, and here is my ghost here. It took me all the way here, and it was hard to transport this through the forest at the end, but yeah, it was quite interesting. And yes, today is 25th of August 2024. We have 19 degrees Celsius in the air, and I'm not really sure what is the temperature in the lake here. So we're gonna test it out and I'm gonna give you like an approximate based on my feeling. So yes, another beach adventure with Chris from Sörmland, another region that's neighboring Stockholm region. And a wonderful Sunday today. Started off a bit cloudy in the morning, but now we have pure sun. So let's then take a swim here in this artificial lake, Kalkbrottet, that is known as. Let's see, should I be able to measure the water? Maybe not, I'll skip it because it's a bit of a hard terrain actually to get down. So let's see if I will be able to make it. Look at this. This is quite the hike to get down, but it's a lot easier from the other side of the lake, as you can see. Here it is a bit of a challenge, but I will do my best not to fall. It is quite steep, as you can see, so let me be careful with this. Right. Actually, it's quite easy now that I am almost down, but not for those who are afraid of heights. Real adventure over here for sure. Right, look at the lake, look at the water and the rocks. Oops. All right, almost down. I need to be very careful over here. It's not so easy, believe me, but I feel so happy right now that I won't be able to swim over here in this artificial lake in Råby, Nyköping. It's fantastic for sure, right? Cool. I think it is here deep enough also to jump. Shall I jump actually? No, I'll go in. I feel more safer because it looks that it's deep, but I don't know, let's just not ruin things. Right, cool. So Kalkbrottet in Råby, Nyköping. The water feels a bit chilly, I'm not gonna lie, and I should have brought down the thermometer with me, but now I can't go back obviously. So with this view, let's then dive in this artificial lake here. Woohoo! Amazing indeed. It's so beautiful. I just love this type of settings. Look at this, it is absolutely amazing. Steep, rocky hills over here, and it's basically so nice feeling to be taking a swim. It is now 6:30 p.m. and the sun will be setting down in probably 2 hours, I think. Oh, I can stand here also. So it's not as deep as I thought that it would be. So it was maybe a good idea to jump. So yeah, beach adventures with Chris from this artificial lake in Råby. We continue with the beach adventures. Today is beach number 129 on my Sweden beach adventures, and I'm so happy that I was able to come here and enjoy this beautiful setting over here that you can see. So yeah, cool. Then that's a wrap from this beach adventure at Råby in this artificial lake. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris. Yeah.